goodness gracious, I'm replaceable. You say that I'm too crazy. I guess you were right. I guess you were right. My straight jacket's custom made. Fucking savage. My straight jacket's custom made.
It's a temporary setback. It's a momentary loss. But conveniently, my ego doesn't bruise.
I get overwhelmed so easily. My anxiety creeps inside of me, makes it hard to breathe. What's come over me feels like I'm somebody else. I get overwhelmed.